Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're starting the kitchen dormer, Aaron. You want to pick up from here?
I like it when he takes charge like that.
Oh jeez.
Yes, we are. We're starting the kitchen dormer. I'm super excited to get that done. Even more excited to not show Shou Sugi Ban anymore.
You're almost done.
I'm not.
You're close.
I've been Shou Sugi Ban the past couple of days. I've got like 22 boards done, but I probably still have. I think there's 36 total.
Oh, you got to do them all because we have to do the back of the house also. So
I'm aware.
That's what it is.
Thank you for the reminder.
Yep, good job. Good job. Keep it up. So we'll start the window. We got to work some blue skin around the window, seal it up so it doesn't leak and so it's nice and tight. Then we'll start the... Jeez. So, we have to purchase on the next. It was gonna... You gotta be kidding me, right? Purchase on the next, then we'll go ahead and put the siding up. Jeez, her head's in the dump, so obviously.
And now we all know why he doesn't lead the charge when we're talking.
Man.
Okay. It's enough. Okay.
Alright, so we definitely messed up. We got to take all that metal down underneath where the roof is going around, but we wrapped the metal, let's take it down. I hate the way it looks.
Yeah.
I think the other route of us going with the black or dark wood there instead is a better look for the look that we are going for.
Yes, I agree. Let's take them over and point out the siding. Because that was another mistake we made. Taking you over here to the siding that you saw in the last video.
Yeah, once we got halfway up, we knew we messed up.
Yeah.
You can see halfway through, I got my joint here. Halfway through, I got my joint here.
They're not lined up.
Yeah.
It would be more professional if they were lined up, and we intended to do it that way, and then I guess we just weren't paying attention. We were like tired and had the kids distracting us. Not that that's an excuse, but it's just the reality of the situation. So yeah, we got about like halfway up, and we realized that we messed up, and at that point it was like, we're not gonna...
I'm not tearing down for that, it's fine. We're out in the woods, nobody's gonna see it.
Right,
so,
but then we decided at that point we might as well do the other side the same way instead of changing it up. Might as well at least keep the mistake consistent. But on this side, we are gonna line the joints up, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why not?
So, yeah, that's it. It's only cosmetic. No
That's why I married you.
I don't find that funny.
Well, I mean, that's why you approached me, because about my cosmetics, obviously.
Really?
Oh yeah. Thank you. Right?
Let me show you a picture of what Josh looked like when I first met him. And right there, guys, I can assure you it was not cosmetics.
Safety first, Aaron. From the wrong side of the ladder, first of all.
Somebody get OSHA out here. shoe skin is like a one-shot deal. It's so sticky that you've got to get it right the first time. Otherwise, it's just a disaster and a mess. And you end up having to throw the entire piece away. So now that that's done, we're going to start putting up the furring strips.
Alright, so we need, it says 9.8, so we need 10 vertical pieces of the furring strips for the horizontal siding.
How many more boards do I have to torch? Is 22, I have 18 plus 4 2x4s. Done. Is that enough?
That's 8 boards going from here to here. It's 8 boards. 9, 10 right there. A bunch of boards here. You need 36 boards to gotta burn. How many do we have?
36 altogether.
Math, right on point, dude.
Are you just trying to torture me?
I need 36 torched. You should see her face. It's a face of disappointment and disgust is what I'm getting right now. Definitely disgust. So.
I just want to go inside and eat dinner.
Me too.
Can I not just do that? Alright, got my pencil now?
My pencil.
Thank you, sir. 5 feet,
Yes.
about your height. So I just laid you down next to the board to get my measurement.
First of all, I'm 6'1", okay? 6 foot.
If you give love, you get love in return.
Oh, there goes. Oh.
I got it.
So
You got those 11 footers?
Second. You got fries in that shake?
Funny. Remind me not to let him be in charge of the camera again.
You measure all in what you own. You don't worry about your hair, but you do fear being left alone. You may double your guards, but no one really knows about your house of cards that the wind blows. I was always by your side, and it's time to set it straight. No more talk about your fast life. If you want it, then you have to wait. I see your every flaw. I see your home made out of straw while the wind blows. No
55 and a half.
change. Oh no, you cannot change. Yeah, you can change your ways. A secret well kept, but everyone knows. You try to keep it so still, but the wind blows.
We are partway done with the siding on the kitchen dormer side of the house. We've got to run to town and get some more nails before we can go any further.
Yeah, so that's it for the video. We're out of nails, so the video goes out tomorrow, which will be today when you watch it. Right? So, blue skin got put up, the furniture strips obviously went up, and we started the front side of the siding. So,
yeah,
we have a lot of work left to do on this dormer. The dormer's twice the size of the last dormer, so still more work.
Yes, and be sure you stick around for later this week because Josh's twin has arrived and will be making his YouTube debut. Bye, guys.
So, yeah.
That's not true.
Yeah, because when I walked into Lowe's, I grabbed 19 of these boards. I didn't even grab a cart. I just threw them on my shoulder and walked out.
Yeah, that's why you got the name the Mule.
Sassy. You want to say anything to the camera?
How you doing?
Pressure. That's why. See, I'm off on Monday. Her day's all confused.
Josh has been such a peach to work with today. Such a joy.
I know.
Peach.